Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix order already in progress error, meaning and checkout fixes McDonald's app. Fix 1. Clear the system glitch. Log out on your account within the app or website. Close the app or web browser completely and wait for 5 to 10 minutes for the server to auto reset your frozen cart. Log back in and try to order again. Fix 2. Force close and clear cache. On your Android, navigate to Settings, select Apps and choose McDonald's. Then tap on Storage and select Clear Cache. Then tap on Force Stop. On iPhone, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to access the app switcher. Swipe up on the app to close it. Then navigate to Settings, then General and click on iPhone Storage. Select the app you want to offload. Then tap on Offload to free up the storage. Fix 3. Check and clear pending orders. Open the order history or active tab on your McDonald's app. Look for the order marked as pending processing or in progress. Tap the specific order and select cancel order if the option is available. If there is no cancel button, open your cart and manually remove all the items. Fix 4. Switch the platforms. Open a laptop or desktop computer if using the mobile app. Access the official website via a browser. Log into your account. Complete the checkout process on the website. Thanks for watching.